Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Right now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top investments to make in 2020. So right now we are at an 11-year bull market. In the past couple of days, we've had the market starting to crash, starting to fall due to the coronavirus. The interest rates have just been cut in half by the Fed. What should we invest in? What should we stay away from? What should we do? Because this is a crazy world we're living in. 2020 so far has been a crazy start to the new year. We've had the coronavirus. We lost Kobe. Australia was literally on fire. And I'm sure there's a lot more stuff that has gone on. What are some of the top investments to make? We don't want to just survive this falling market, but we want to thrive. Now, there's a lot of ways we can go about it, but let's jump into the episode, roll the intro, let's go. Bam! So the past 11 years, the market has been hitting all-time highs 1 out of every 16 days, which is ridiculous. Just imagine that you've had a month and 2 out of those days you're hitting new highs. Imagine how fast your money can grow. Pretty much any investment you made roughly 10 years ago is making money now. So what should you invest in now? What are some of the stable stocks? What are some of the stable things to invest in? Now, the very first one is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's No, don't invest in Bitcoin. I don't know what's going on with it, but I made a video really explaining why I would never invest in it, and you guys seem to hate me for it, but it's just because I'm uneducated on it, and you guys literally beat me up about it, but I'm not worried about it, but just be happy, guys, be positive. Alright, so what are the top investments to make? The very first one is low-cost index funds. The reason why I say this is because a lot of these stocks and ETFs and funds that track the market have been falling, which is very expected, and you guys can literally thrive just by investing in these low-cost index funds. You can pick up these index funds for anywhere from $70 to $300, and the great thing about them is they track the S&P 500 or the overall market, whatever one you guys want to look at. And when the companies offer dividends, guess what? You get paid to literally own stock, and you're going to be getting the asset as it grows in value. So imagine if you guys bought into the S&P 500 in 2008. We had this huge crash. You guys bought in at literally peak bottom, and now you continued this rally all the way up to 2020. So what you guys are going to want to do is just continue to buy as the stocks are moving down. Average your position down, just because if let's say you are just buying down as each time it falls, when the market rebounds, just like it did in 2009, you guys are going to thrive and you guys are going to make a lot of money. Now, on top of that, you're going to be getting paid to own it. You're going to be getting these dividends. Most of these dividends are paid quarterly, and they're around 4%, which aren't too bad. Now, when LeBron James asked Warren Buffett, what should I invest in? He said you would succeed if you just had and invested in low-cost index funds. So that's pretty much why I do it. I think it's a great way to build wealth, and these things are only going to grow, and you're going to get paid to have them. So it's a no-brainer. So what's the second thing to invest in? Now, in my opinion, I want to invest in dividend stocks. Now, the reason why I say dividend stocks and not any old random stocks is because dividend stocks perform better in a falling market. So what this means is people are more likely to buy and hold stocks that pay them to have. Now imagine if you guys are holding a stock and you're getting paid to hold it. When the market's falling, you're going to continue, you're going to suck it up, you're going to hold, and you're just going to wait it out. Now honestly, what I would do is I would continue to buy down just like we did with the overall index fund, because we're averaging our position price lower, and then just like 2009, we're going to get the rebound and we're going to make a lot more money. Now, dividend stocks are most of these companies that you and I know of. They're blue chip stocks. So these are companies that are worth billions, if not trillions of dollars. And a lot of them people buy them, and a lot of people sell them. So as long as you're just continuing to hold, you suck it up, you guys will literally thrive. Now, if let's say you guys don't have any money to invest, you guys don't have any money, but you own stock, what should you do with the stock? Should you sell, keep? What should you do? Hold on to it. Hold on to it, my friend. All the people that lost their money in 2008, missed out on the biggest rally in 2009. So if you guys just suck it up, take a break, and if you guys can keep investing, that is the best, just because you guys are going to move your average prices down, and when the market rebounds, you're going to be making a lot of money. But a lot of these dividend stocks are, they're very popular stocks. You guys can look at Apple, you guys can look at Coca-Cola, you can look at Ford, you can look at a variety of other ones, just like all of the ones right here. So now that you guys invested in a low-cost index fund, you guys started investing in stocks, you're honestly doing great. What is the next step to go in to be financially sound in a falling market? Well, this last one's my personal opinion. The reason why I think it is because I don't think there should be a certain time you guys do this. I think this should be year-round. You guys have a good investing portfolio now. You guys have a good dividend portfolio that pays you to have stock. So the last thing is to invest in yourself. Now, the reason why I say that is because I think a lot more people aren't doing it. The reason why is because most people after college or high school, they don't read a book anymore. I try to read a book once a month. Right now we're reading Principles by Ray Dalio. It's a great book, but this is how I invest in myself. I think reading, you gain education. Yeah, the book's $20, but imagine next year you learn something that pays you $1,000, $2,000. It's easily worth it. You guys need to start educating yourself, and literally you guys have education at your fingertips. Go on Google. You can take free education courses on whatever you're passionate about. Let's say you love videography. Don't go learn about math and English and science. Go learn about videography. Literally, I guarantee if you guys learn and create a business and a side hustle, you guys will thrive. You really will. So piggybacking off investing in yourself, so now that you guys are starting to read, you're taking courses, you guys should be starting a side hustle. I think starting a side hustle, same thing. You don't need a certain year to tell you to start trying to go after something that you're passionate about. Like we're saying, if you're a videographer and you're too scared to make the leap to, starting a business, what I would highly recommend doing, reaching out to local people, like local businesses, realtors, business owners, asking them, hey, can I video your store completely free? I'm trying to gain a portfolio. 99% of the time they're going to say yes, because it's free for them. And you're going to be getting experience and education out of it. So it's kind of a win-win for both people. But overall, you guys should be starting a side business. When I was 14, I started my first. I started lawn care company. Yeah, I don't do it now, but at the time, I would get paid anywhere from $180 to $250 per weekend to go out, mow grass, and then I wouldn't have to work the rest of the days because I only worked that one day and I didn't have to go clock into a job that I honestly hated going to. So now that you guys done all this, next thing you guys need to do is smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, guys. You guys go ahead and do it, because then other people will learn how to invest. It's greatly appreciated, and I will literally love you. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and let me know, what are you guys planning on investing in? If you guys are one of those Bitcoin guys, let me know down in the comments down below. I try to respond to everybody that I can. I'm very busy, and I try my hardest to hit all of your guys' goals, because I know that a lot of you guys want me to make some videos, and don't worry, they are all in the works. It just takes time, and it takes, it takes time to actually think of videos, plan them out. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, drop subscribe down below. We'll see you guys most likely Thursday or tomorrow or Friday for another episode. Go check out my podcast. That's down below. Peace out. Have a good one, guys. Take care. Bam!